Hello, my name is Michael Bolger. I'm Electric Operations Manager for Xcel Energy. When a public safety power shutoff is required, with the flip of a switch we can turn off the power in very specific areas. But why can't we quickly turn it back on? That's a great question. Restoring power can be a lengthy process. Once conditions are safe, we send out crews to inspect our lines before they can be safely re-energized. Mobilizing our crews takes time. Whenever possible, we pre-position crew members to strategic locations to help ensure that they can start restoring power when conditions improve. We use helicopters, drones, ATVs, and even hike through tough terrain to get eyes on the lines as quickly as possible. If extensive repairs are required before the system can be safely re-energized, some customers in certain areas may experience extended outages. If there is limited damage, crews are usually able to re-energize the system and restore power quickly. And remember, power restoration may take longer in areas with difficult terrain. Conducting these inspections following a public safety power shutoff is critical to protect public safety. We understand how disruptive extended outages can be, especially after a significant weather event, and we are committed to restoring power safely and quickly as conditions allow.